Hey cutie, my name is Lily Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out 5 a little bit more advanced twerk moves. Let's see how many of these you can do. We're gonna hop right in, but first make sure to subscribe. If you haven't yet, please do it now if you have. Thank you very much. Then we are gonna hop straight in. We're going to start with a jiggle. I feel like most of you, if you have been interested in twerk, you have probably tried this move because it's a very popular move and it looks extremely cute when done properly. So let's try it for 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that was easy. I feel like most of you could follow that. Then, number 2, we are going to do a little alteration to give a little bit extra flair to the bounce up. So we are here, and instead of just bouncing up, we're going to do up with our heel, up with our heel, up with our heel. 8 times. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. If you followed so far, I'm proud of you. Let's go to move number 3. Again, a little alternative for a bounce up. We're going to bounce up, but we jump, we hop to the side. Let me show you. Hop, bounce, hop, bounce, hop, bounce. Let's do that 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hop, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, we're getting there. 2 more moves to go. Let's see how far we get. We're at move number 4. Let's go into a step out. Again, this is an alternative for the bounce. I feel like today we're just bouncing up, basically. We're stepping out, out, in, out, in, while we are bouncing. So here we go boom, 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 boom. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ta, 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 and 1 more ta, ta. Yes! You're doing it. Okay, now our last and final move, again, is going to be a bounce up, but while we bounce up, we're going all the way down. So you have 8 bounces up to go all the way into your low squat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, bounce, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. You made it to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments how many of these 5 moves you can do. If you could do all of them, I am seriously impressed because these were not easy. And I am happy that I got to challenge you and that you overcame everything that I threw at you. If you still want to learn, if you're still in progress of learning all these moves, make sure to check out my online courses. I have a beginner's twerk course and a 28 days of twerk course where you'll go over way more moves, 17 to be exact, lol. And I'll see you back for next tutorial next week.